Welcome everyone in today's video of Quick Guide.
In this tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you how you can download and install Schwab Mobile app in your mobile device. For this, you need to open your Play Store and go to the search bar of the Play Store and search for Schwab Mobile in the search bar. And you can see there is an icon Schwab Mobile in the search result. Simply click on it and then simply click on this install button. As you can see, the download process is pending in my mobile device. It needs some time for the installation process to complete. Just have patience. Finally, the app has been installed in my device and is ready to open. Let's check it out the app in the app section. And there it is. The app is installed and the task is complete. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.